Welcome to Attack. In this video I will tell you that how to change wallpaper on Samsung phone. So let's get started. First of all, long press home screen and here you can see wallpaper and style option. Here you can see change wallpapers option. So on top you can see featured wallpapers. You can select from them. If you want to choose from your gallery, second option is for you. You can select any wallpaper from your gallery. Third one is graphical and fourth one is colors. So you can choose any wallpaper. I want to change my wallpaper. I will select from graphicals. Here you can see two options, lock screen and home screen. So you can select according to your choice. Then click on next. On top click on done and your wallpaper is changed. So in this way you can change your wallpaper on Samsung phone. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.